So hi guys, and welcome into this new video. Sorry for not uploading for a very long time on this channel. From today I think I will just upload more videos for you guys, okay? So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can easily create a trail effect for your Unity projects that basically appears whenever you click with the mouse on your screen, or if you also want, it works with mobile games as well, so it works both with PC and mobile. And so yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the hierarchy and create an empty game object which we're going to call trail. So we can just reset the transform, position, rotation and whatever, and then we're going to add a trail render component. Trail render is basically a component that acts as a trail that's being drawn on your screen, okay? And we're going to tweak these values a little bit so that it looks smooth and nice. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to decrease the width because we don't want it to be too big, so we can put it maybe here at 0.5, or if it looks too big to you, you can just lower it. And then we're going to right click with the mouse and create a new key, and we're going to lower it. Now what I just did is created a trail that has this width at the start, and then at the end it has like its tail that's smaller, and just it makes overall a cool effect. Okay, actually I'm gonna lower this a little bit. So we're going to decrease the time. We're going to put it 0.1. Whoops. Then we're going to decrease the vertex distance so that it just makes it smoother. Then I'm going to increase the corner vertices to 3 actually, and the end cap vertices to 4. Okay. Now we can create a material for our trail, so we're going to create a new material. So we can color it, and we're going to call this trail matte. And we're going to change the shader from standard to unlit color so that it's just a basic color, and we can just change this color. You can put your own color here. And then we're going to go here to materials and assign this material. Okay, now this doesn't really do anything when we press on the screen, so we actually are going to create a new game object which we're going to call, I don't know, scene manager. And by the way, you can use another game object that you have on a scene. Okay, and we're going to create a new script which we're going to call trail effect, and then we can open it. Okay, so here we don't need really the start method, so I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to work on the update method. So on the update method, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check if the player touches on the screen, if we're using a mobile phone, or if the player clicks with the mouse on the screen. So we're going to write this condition. So now we need a reference for our trail game object, which I didn't put before, so we're gonna just put a serialized field. And if you don't know what a serialized field is, basically the same as a public variable. You just show it on the editor. And we're going to create a game object, so we're going to reference a trail. We're gonna call it trail. And now we're gonna so we check if we're touching on the screen or clicking with the mouse, and then we're going to simply enable the trail effect. Okay, so now we're going to create a new plane, so write what I do. So after creating a plane, we are going to create a ray to later do a raycast. And after creating an array, we're going to create a variable to check our distance from the plane and the array. And then we're going to set the trail transform to a function, so just follow as I do. Okay, and once we've done this, now we need to disable the trail if we're not touching the screen or clicking with the mouse, so we can just say trail.setActive true, false. Okay, and that's pretty much it. We don't need to do anything else here. Let's just check if we don't have any errors, and actually we do. That's because it's not screen 2.ray, but it's just screen point 2 ray. Okay, so now it's hopefully working, and it is. So now we need to just reference the trail, and let's just test it out. Okay, so we actually did get the trail, and you can see this cool effect that we get when we click on the screen, and it also works with mobile. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now you can actually change. So let's say if you want it a little bit slimmer at the end, you can just drag this down, so you can see that it looks more like a trail. Okay, so that's it for the video, and I'll see you next time, and again, sorry for not uploading for a long time.